out my eye. Guys, it's snow. Let's zip up my clothes more. Okay, guys. Yeah, people just left them stuff. I use this. No money in there.
Is it broken? That's why.
Yeah. We can buy this one. Just buy one. Green. Give me all this green. So then buy out the things them. Storm and come. We'll make some green juice.
Pop shop. Well, feel we want a pop chai because they're much bigger. Like 50% off the reason, so that means this $3 for this. Yeah, but them all go bad fast. Take it down and look in their back. When you planning use it, this could use up till Tuesday. No, we could use that. We already buy that. We just need to buy like. How much is that? The dressing thing. We already have dressing. If you have croutons, you need to buy croutons. I'm gonna eat that cheese and stuff. But if you eat it, you can that. Buy a piece and go cook it today. You can't cook if me not cook. Yeah, here cook. Get some bread. Wheat bread. So now wheat bread them going to buy. What you want? You want multigrain? You want it? I used to buy these. You're not buying no white bread? No, no white bread. One of them cooking. Or you want to get up whole grain?
Like buy them a week time. Don't buy the one with the something in there, so I'm gonna eat it. Those one, yeah.
Not whole grain, this is whole wheat.
Once a week.
Get their price up.
Okay. You know, want a white bread. You can buy, you know.
2 buns or 2
They're not too dear. Same price to them. And just buy like 2. One muffin. Maybe blue. See them here.
Which one?
They have blueberry.
Can I eat it?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're experiencing a snowstorm today, so I had to go and get some stuff. Outside is not looking good, but thank God we're home safe. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got some blueberry muffins. I recently started eating the blueberry ones. I normally just eat the chocolate chips, so I got the chocolate chips and I got the blueberry muffins. So yeah, and I also got some eggs. This is a pack of 18, and I also got some lunch bowl. These are the glass ones, which is good because when I buy like the plastic ones, they like burst and stuff like that, so these are better. So I got 3. Also I got some foil paper and also some parchment paper. Set them up. Okay, and I also got some chicken strips, yeah, and some nuggets, which is good. And I am changing my diet, so instead of me drinking the whole milk, I'm going to start drinking almond milk. Well, it's not the best taste, but I guess once I'm used to it, then it will work out for me. So I got 2. I got no sugar, and I also got the original one, which I think maybe sugar is in it, so that's good. Okay, I also got some tea mix, coronation, which is good. Oh, and I also got some broccoli. I got like 2 cream crackers for in the morning. And I got a pack of hash browns. Oh babe, this tear. Okay, so here is it. I don't eat this, but yep.
That's for your husband.
I got 2 tin mackerel. Listen, mackerel is my national dish, so I have to get 2 drop mackerel. There are 2. I also got some bully beef. I got 2 as well, because why not? And I got some turkey neck. I want to make some curry turkey neck, so I got turkey neck. And it's been a while since I eat ping pong, so I got 1. Next, oh, and I got milk, bag of milk. This is how Canadian drink milk, from the bag, and then you have the milk jug that you just put them in, and that's how they use it. Mm?
That one's for me.
Also, we got some chips, some Cheetos. We got this is the crunchy one. We also have some bagels, and this is all wheat because I'm changing my diet, so I'm cutting out like the white breads and stuff like that. So this is all wheat. Also, I got two buns, two national spice buns. I like this one better. It's so soft. We got bread. This is all wheat bread, so no more white bread, so we got all wheat. Woo. So I got this bag of chips. It's organic. Oh, and we got some cheese for our salads and stuff, because we're gonna go on a like salad diets and stuff like that, so we're gonna eat a lot of vegetables. So we got some cheese. We also got some sugar, and these are some wedges. We have some wedge. This is some fries. Then we have a big cabbage. Look how big this cabbage is. This is gonna serve like, I think this is gonna cut in about 4. So we got a big cabbage. We also have some cran juice, my favorite. So we got the original, and we also got the cran grape. We have some yogurt. I had to get a Dr. Pepper, even though I'm cutting out the sodas and stuff, but I had to get my Dr. Pepper. I got some mayo, some waffles, more chips. Oh, I got this bottle of popcorn like for movie night. I got a next, this is mango. I got a next juice here. I also have Pepsi Zero Sugar. Some more yogurt for my smoothie. This is a vanilla. This is vanilla flavor. Ooh, and I got this ice cream. It's dairy free, so I'm going to try it. And we also got some ketchup. What else? Okay. And we also have these grab and go meals. This pasta. Oh, this is the spaghetti one. And we also have mac and cheese, and I got like 10 of these, like 10 of them. And I also got paper for my air fryer. So I just recently purchased a new air fryer because the one we had, it stopped working all of a sudden. I don't think it lasts like 1 year, so we had to get a new one today. So I'm gonna show you that shortly after all this. And then what else do we have? Oh, we have more stuff. Okay, so we have some wraps to make lunch. We have some mixed vegetable. We have some cucumber. I got 2 to make salads. We also have some lettuce. I just got 1 pack because I do not want them to go bad. Oh, and I got a piece of yam. Next up is, okay, so I think, yeah, so I show you guys everything. Oh, and we got like water and stuff like that. And here is the air fryer. It's a Ninja, but I'm gonna show you guys when I'm unboxing it. So stay tuned for the unboxing of the Ninja. And yeah, this is all I have. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up video of everything, and then yeah, and everything came up to about $400. Yeah, everything here all together. So yeah guys, stay tuned for the unboxing of the air fryer. So guys, I'm just giving you a close-up of everything. So these are like pastas and stuff for our lunch. We got like 10. We got the muffins, got some mayo, we have the ice cream. This is the first time I'm going to try this ice cream. I think it's like vegan ice cream. And then we have some waffles here, have some juice, have some wraps, some chips. So this is everything that I got. Have some cheese and all of that. And this came up to $400. We also have the air fryer on the floor. Yeah, so this is everything, guys. You see how small, you see the small amount of stuff for $400. Groceries in Canada is very expensive, and we didn't get like any protein, like we didn't get like meats and stuff. So this is just, so over here we have the wedges, we have some fries, we also have some lettuce, cucumber, mixed vegetable, milk. This is the turkey neck. We have this big cabbage, and then we have piece of yam, and that's it for the grocery haul, guys. Nothing much. So guys, this is the bowl. So let me pull them. Okay. So this is it, and it's glass, and it's I think you can put it in your dishwasher. So yeah, so there are. I don't have the nails on, I can't do the pop thingy, but yep, I got 3 of them, and I think they're all the same size. So yeah, so this is for lunch. And then this is the air fryer sheet, because we had to get a new air fryer, as I was talking about, because the other one is garbage. Like, it didn't last us like 1 year. So yeah, so this is the new one, and this one is a digital one. The other one, it had the spinning stuff. So this one is a digital one. So let's unbox it. Okay. Alright. So this is the manual, but Jamaicans don't read manual. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big size. So that is fun. It's very big. I thought it would have been smaller. It's very big though. So this is it. Oh, it has tapes on it. Almost my shoe. Okay, take the tapes off. And then, oh, it's a good size. See, and it's metal. Oh, okay. So some of them, this part can come out, but this can't come out. No, it can't drain the oil at the bottom.
The grill.
Oh.
And it drips the oil into the pan on the bottom.
So see it here, guys. It's a good one, and it's like digital. The first one we had to be spinning and spinning. So this one is just button press. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm using it. I'm gonna wash it out and then could use it. And also we have like the liners to go inside, because if you don't want to be like cleaning it every second, you just put the liners in and good to go. So this is it. I'm gonna like turn it on and stuff so that you guys could see how it works. But first I have to like get rid of the other one, and I'm going to take a look at the manual because I don't want to break it so fast. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys the first thing that I'm going to cook in this new one. So yeah, so I'm gonna wash it and then we'll go from there. So I just like preheat it. So I'm gonna add the nuggets to it now. Oh, I'm gonna use these sheet papers that you guys just see me buy. This is the nuggets. I'm gonna pour it in there. Or 6. Do enough because somebody's gonna bake, so we're gonna do enough. So I have the nuggets. I'm gonna put them in. Let's set it. How long did it say on the box? Let me see how long. It said should put this on. So we're gonna set it at 400. I'm gonna start.